boys and girls. Today you need your Silly Sounds book. And we are working on the letter T today. T. But let's read the ones that we've already done. Okay? Ready? A is for apple. Apple, bapple, napple. Going. All these letters in the alphabet. We've done most of the ones at the end of the alphabet. M is for mouse. Mouse, house, pouse. P is for pig. Pig, wig, dig. I did the S page. S is for sun. Sun, run, fun. All right, and right after S comes T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. And now we have here tiger, yiger, kiger. Tiger, yiger, kiger. Okay, so now we're going to draw a tiger. So let's see, a tiger is usually orange, and I will try my best. If you want, it's easiest to maybe draw an oval for the body for the tiger. Okay, and then draw the tiger head. You can draw a circle for the head. They have big tiger ears. And a tiger has kind of an upside down nose like this. Big tiger whiskers. Got tiger whiskers, and my tiger needs some eyes and a mouth. The tiger also has legs, and they have those big, huge tiger feet. Big, huge tiger feet. And they also have claws if you want to add some claws to your tiger, and a big tiger, a tiger tail. But one thing that you can realize when you're making a tiger is that they have stripes. So I'm going to draw some tiger stripes on my tiger. So give him some stripes. So make yourself a tiger. I'll probably give him some black eyes. You can see the black eyes on my tiger. Okay, so it's just like making a giant cat. Okay, boys and girls, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.